good afternoon, good evening sa ating mga subscriber, taga-subaybay dyan. Ayan, mag-unboxing tayo sa DJI Neo drone. Ayan. Where is my Neo? Where is my parcel? Charang! Ayan, guys. Hi, charang! Ayan, mag-unboxing tayo dito sa ating Neo. DJI Neo. Let's start! Ayan, mga ano dyan. Ay. Ayan, mag-unboxing na tayo, guys. Alright. Malaglag ang ating phone. Ayan, guys. Start now sa ating unboxing. Ayan, mayroon mga guidelines dyan. Mga guidelines. DJI Carrier. Ayan. Let's start our unboxing. Ayan. DJI Neo drone. Open. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Makita mo, you got 4 propellers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just look at the lens. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang i-press lang, buksan para ready na siya. Ayan ang lens. So, don't touch the lens. To make a better kailangan punasan ng ano siya, silky cloth. Ayan, para hindi siya mag-fog. Ayan, guys. I-demo natin yan mamaya. Demo natin kung paano gamitin yan. Mayroon tayong extra propeller, mayroong brochure. There is a brochure. Then this is extra propeller. We have tools to open the, pag nasira yung propeller, you open it like this. Yan. You just screw it to open. I don't know. Wag lang muna natin i-open kasi mas close pa man siya. Ayan. Pag nasira, you can replace. You got 2 replacement extra. Yan. Ayan. Open. You just open it and change the propeller. Ayan. Then you got cable for charging. Ayan. This is C-type lang siya. You can use any C-type that to charge your battery like that. Then press button para mag-on lang siya. Ayan, press button this one here. Ayan, nag-on na siya. Ayan. Then cable, you got 2 extra propeller, and then you got tools, you got brochure here. Ayan, guys, mga sticker lang to siya. DJI user sticker. Ayan, you got drone information notices, and then you got this Japan flight safety rules. This is from Australia, New Zealand. Yan, guys, around the world to siya. Safety rules, mayroon ding safety rules. Kailangan na mayroong safety rules, safety guidelines. Ayan, guys, this is a brochure for first users. Ayan, kung bubuksan mo yan, mayroon diyan mga, ayan, guys, kung paano gamitin. Mayroon sasabihin yan. This is weight. The weight is 135 grams. Tailed off from the palm of your hand. Ayan, guys. Hawakan, ganyan. Ganyan. Pag ano siya, paglipad na yan, gaganunin mo lang yan sa hand mo. Gaganon. Pupunta na yan sa hand mo. It will landing to your hand. And then 4K, 4,000 video, 4K video, EI3 tracking. Propeller guard to prevent damage. Ayan, mayroon siyang guard. Kailangan, mayroon talaga siyang guard para hindi siya ma-damage. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Bawal ilagay yung kamay mo dyan para hindi ma-damage ang propeller. Ayan. Can be used without a phone or controller using the preset button to follow you or circle you, etc. Yeah, mayroon na siyang built-in storage, guys. Flight time approximately 17 minutes, and then range without controller using follow me 50 meters. Range with controller up to 7 kilometer. Ayan, guys. It can travel 7 kilometers, this one. This DJI Neo drone has built-in 22 gigabyte internal storage. Ayan, guys, meron niya siyang 22 gigabyte internal storage, so you don't need SD card. Ayan, to transfer to your mobile or computer for editing your video, you just use what you call it, Bluetooth. Use your Bluetooth to transfer. This is enough to store up to 40 minutes of 4K by 30 FPS video or 55 minutes of 1080p by 60 FPS video. The drone also has a high-speed transfer system for easily moving footage. Ayan, guys. So you don't need SD card. You just use Bluetooth to transfer. Connect this to your mobile phone to transfer the video and connect to your laptop or computer, and then it's ready. You don't need a SD card because it has built-in storage already, so it's ready for you to use and fly me to the moon. Ayan, guys, that's it for today's video of our unboxing. Ayan, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Ayan, guys. Tara! Take a picture. See you guys. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ayan. See you next time.